Right, guys, my food is here. I guess some mini burgers, Angus beef mini burgers. So they're like 3 mini ones. So hopefully they taste good. So I'm gonna try and let's see how they do. Hello everyone. It's my second day in Hong Kong. Second day, day 2. Day 2 in Hong Kong. I just moved from the Regent. Now I'm at the Intercontinental Grand Stanford, and I got the view of the harbor. You see it. I know there's too much light, but I'll show you. It's very clear. So the difference between like the Regent and the Intercontinental, they are both luxury hotels, but Regent is a little bit higher, you know, level wise, a little bit higher than the Intercontinental. So I had a room with the city view. I didn't have a room with the harbor view, but I used points. Like if you see the small short video that I posted, you see I will do the room tour. I didn't do that, but I just showed part of the room. But I'm about to show you the room for this Intercontinental Grand Stanford in Hong Kong. I have the Victoria Harbour view. I was upgraded, but I'm also using points. Oh my God, if you need to know more about using IHG points, I want you to send me a message on my DM me on my Instagram, Facebook, or leave a message on my comments on YouTube when I post my videos, and I'll explain everything to you and I'll show you how I use points. So yes, I'm staying here for 4 days, and you use your points to pay for the stay, and the 4th day is free. So the points are for 3 days and the 4th night is free. And here is the view. Welcome. Welcome to Hong Kong, Victoria Harbour, Intercontinental. There you are. There you have it. Let's see if I can give you the other end of it. But view, I can just see here all day long, and I got here where I can put my legs and relax, and I can see everything. It's on the other side, the other end of the Victoria Harbour, so there's not a lot of people that you see. You see a few, but there's also traffic. That's my view in my room at the Intercontinental. I have beautiful view, very beautiful. Hi guys, how you doing? It's another day, my last night here at the Intercontinental. So let's go check out the swimming pool, the gym, and if they have a spa, we're gonna check that one out as well. So let's go. Sandcourt pool and fitness center. Okay, let's go. Okay, I see some towels here. A lot of towels. as you can see, a lot of towels. I see people exercising on this side, and this side there's a waste bucket where they just, oh, there are people in here, so I can really record. But I'm just gonna show you the machines right here. I can go in there. Much. They get some bikes and electrical machines and the treadmills on the other side. The pool is outside, so we're gonna go up to the pool. And this is the pool. It's a nice size pool and lots of seating spaces too. Oh, it's nice. There's a cool breeze. Let's do the room tour. Okay. Yeah. So I'm right here by the window where the view is. That's where I'm standing. Yes, let me show you the room. I'm gonna do the room tour really quick. So let's do the room tour. But that's the room from the main entrance. I don't know why this thing is doing this. Okay, I'm trying to install. Oh, there you go. That's the whole room. Alright, nice. Intercontinental Grand Stanford, Hong Kong, China. I'm in China, guys. Can you believe the traffic cars passing by? And this is the nice curtains, nice chair, big blackout. What is it called? Light blackout curtains. And there's a big mirror here that just makes the room look bigger. Yeah, I'm comfortable. I'm really comfortable. And nice little table and a relaxing chair here. And that's the bed. And everything that you need. Feels really good. Oh, I like the details on these sheets. Feels like cotton. Oh, look at the detail. I don't know if you can see, but I'm doing it closer so you can see the detail. And they're so soft. Oh, I like this. I'm gonna sleep good. That's the nice bed at Intercontinental. I'm gonna turn it around so I can show you at the corner right there where I was sitting. That would be like your office / dining table if you wanna eat and do your work. And I like the walls, the leather walls, cream. This is cream leather walls. And that's for the table lamp, so you can turn the light on. Nice glass. And they have lots of drawers and lots of space, and they got a big screen right here on the wall. And over there to the door is my luggage. I just put it over there before I even mess up, and I wanted to show you the room. And I like the detail on this headboard and the decor. I like the walls too. I can't tell what this is, but this is, you can see the detail. Just show you those. Really nice. And that's the room from this corner. Alright, here's the bathroom, guys. Alright, it's the stand-up shower. That's the shower, nice size. Alright, so this is gonna be my place for the next few days. Now your choices, you want to stay at the Regent, it's also part of IHG, or you want to stay at the Intercontinental, it's also part of IHG. You can use your points to pay for your rooms. And it's free because you accumulate points as you're using your IHG credit card. That's how you accumulate points. So all your bills that you pay at home, use your IHG card and everything. That's how you accumulate points. But yeah, if you see that tall building with the pinnacle across on the other side, that's where the Regent is. That's where I was staying. So I didn't go too far. It was like 5 minutes or less with the taxi. And this is the room. So I'm showing you the whole room. Let me turn it around so that it will show better. All right, guys. So it's almost 3:30 p.m. I haven't ate anything. I'm very hungry. And so I had to move from the Regent Hotel to Intercontinental. So I put myself together in the room and I got settled. So now I'm downstairs in the Intercontinental lobby lounge. And I just ordered a mini burger and ginger beer. I'm really craving for ginger, like my stomach. When I travel, it acts up. So far so good, no issues. Since I arrived in China, I haven't had any issues with my stomach, but I'm just having ginger. That's the only choice that I'm seeing that will help me in the long run. So I'm just waiting for them to bring my food and I'll show you how it looks like and then we'll partake. But in the meantime, I'm just showing you the lobby at the Intercontinental Grand Stanford, Hong Kong. This is how it looks like. Alright, so that's the lobby area. It's so beautiful. It's not too big, but it's just right size. The beer right here. You're so quick to turn. Okay, I'm back. So tomorrow we have a full program. We're gonna do Victoria. We're gonna do the Victoria Peak tomorrow. We're gonna do so many things. I have to read them out. Make sure. All right. Let's try the mini burgers. Oh, I eat that. That's me making noise. Okay, this one. I don't really care for cheese. I forgot to tell them to remove, not to put cheese, but for the easy thing. Okay, gotta move this. You know, when I was growing up, we used to have the dairy, we leave our milk, cartons of milk in the neighborhood. So our parents used to just place orders ahead of time. So every week the dairy men would bring cartons of milk and cheddar cheese, and they used to have like these little blocks, maybe the size of cheddar. And I used to enjoy just eating that cheddar. And you never leave with cheese. So when I started experiencing different things and different aromas, where the cooked cheese and I try it just doesn't taste the same. So I don't like cooked cheese. I'll eat it raw, but when it's cooked, when it gets slimy, I don't like that. I'll give it a thumbs up. It's good. It's filling. The juice is coming from the bacon. The damage to that. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest. And I'll see you later. Today we're gonna rest again. We rested yesterday and we'll rest again today, and tomorrow the adventure starts. Alright guys, so that's the Intercontinental in Hong Kong, the Grand Stanford. Make sure you say Grand Stanford because there's several Intercontinentals at the region. They were asking me which one. I say the one down the road. They say make sure, and I say the Grand Stanford, and they're like okay. But when I was walking down the road over here by the Victoria Harbour, I saw it. I was like, I can actually walk. I thought I could just walk, but it's so hard and humid, and I had my suitcases, so I decided to just do a taxi. And it wasn't a lot of money, so just for convenience, so I didn't have to sweat. Because it's humid outside, to be honest with you. The moment you walk outside, it's like, oh. But yeah, it's a wonderful place. It's a nice hotel. It came highly recommended by the group, and I just didn't get a chance because they had a meetup here last year, but I was working. I'm not retired yet. Hopefully, God will bless me one day and I'll retire. Hi guys, let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Passport to Prosperity, Travel Global, and Retirement Style Travel with Getty. Thank you so much. And then we'll hop on the plane and we go somewhere. And I won't tell you where. If you want to know where we're gonna go from here, gonna follow me and subscribe to the channel so you have more information. So